Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Wave accounting without accounting knowledge. If you're new to Wave, this tutorial will walk you through the basics and help you understand how to manage your business finances with ease. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the official Wave accounting website. Sign in to your account. If you're new to Wave, create an account first, then enter your credentials and click the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your home base. Here, you'll see an overview of your business activity and quick access to the tools you'll use most often. Take a moment to look around the dashboard. You'll notice features for managing your books, creating invoices, handling payments, tracking expenses, and viewing reports. Wave is designed for small businesses and freelancers, and many of its core accounting features are available for free, making it a great platform for beginners. Now, look at the left sidebar. This is your main navigation menu, where you'll find all the important sections of Wave organized by category. Near the top, you'll also see the Create New button. This lets you quickly create items without leaving your current page. Click Create New, and you'll see several options. From here, you can create a new invoice, add a customer or vendor, record an expense, or create a bill. Simply choose the option that matches the task you want to complete. As a general rule, if money is coming into your business, you'll usually work in the sales section. If money is going out, you'll mostly use the purchases section. Next, click on Sales. This is where you'll create and send invoices, record customer payments, manage your products and services, and keep track of unpaid and completed invoices. After that, open the Purchases section. Here, you can record bills, manage vendors, track business expenses, and organize receipts to keep your accounting records accurate. Finally, click on Reports. This section gives you a complete overview of your business finances with reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and aging reports. These reports help you understand your income, expenses, and overall financial performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned the basics of using Wave accounting. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.